Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add fade in and fade out effect in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC, and if we want to add fade in or fade out effect to our video, we need to click on our video like this until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active, and then you are going to go to the animation. And in this animation, you can select the in and out category. First of all, I'm going to choose the in category, and then we need to select fade in. Okay, then you can customize the duration right here. You can increase or decrease it. And I'm just going to make it like around 5 seconds. Okay, and for the fade out effect, go to the out, and then you are going to click on the fade out and customize the duration. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to check it. I'm going to play the video. So this is how it looks. This is the fade in effect, and then for the fade out effect, I'm just going to drag it. Okay, and then this is for the fade out effect. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add fade in and fade out effect to the CapCut video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.